Welcome to BuildX, your trusted partner in home construction. As 2024 draws to a close, we invite you to journey back with us, celebrating the milestones, the memories, and the dreams we've helped build this year. So sit back, enjoy, and lock in.
And remember, just build, baby.
The BuildX team members are a top-notch organization. They're a step above everyone else. They said something was going to happen. It happened.
It was done in 2 months. That's incredible. It's top quality, and it was done incredibly fast.
Everybody that's walked through here cannot get over what kind of a fantastic job they did.
When I called the BuildX team, I got results that day. I would never expect that of any construction company, period.
I just can't ask for a better company.
There's not a busier human being in Massachusetts than Buzz Artiano.
We're here at Jordan Road, America's hometown, building Plymouth's first ADU. Today we're in South Plymouth at a Habitat for Humanity property, giving them a hand, doing some demo. We're going to be taking this front porch off. Everybody get on here. Come on, Stevie. Didn't take much.
We wanted to do it right. We figured with BuildX, we were going to get the best quality that's available.
When you have that many brains working together, you get your final product that's perfect.
BuildX is the one to go to.
It was a level up from any other contractor I've worked with.
Right now, we're happy as anything, and it's because of BuildX.
We're currently sitting in a 5,000 square foot 4-bay building that Buzz and BuildX built during COVID in 2020. This year we are celebrating 10 years in service. My first business interaction with Buzz was an experience that I'll never forget. He literally sat here. This is gonna be real. He's like, so that's what you want to do, but what do you really want to do? We wanted to go big. We wanted to take our office and completely redesign it. So BuildX just completed a 3-bedroom ranch house into an office for us. When working with BuildX, you have a personal team with you every single day. They're there to help you, and they are dedicated to you.
The project started off to be a renovation. After meeting with Buzz, we decided to raise the existing house, essentially, brought it right down to the foundation.
Buzz said, either you throw some paint on the wall and you keep it the way it is, or you do it right. And we knocked the whole thing down. But I feel the house that we ended up with is so much bigger. And I'm so happy with everything. When I go into, again, every room, I look at all the selections that happened, and I love them all. I wouldn't change any of it. You couldn't change one single thing.
But one of the favorite parts of my kitchen is the heart here behind the stove.
Thank you. Thank you for building our forever home.
My name is Carol. This is my daughter, Virginia.
I'm Virginia.
Right. My story begins with a contractor I contacted off the internet. He took my money and he ripped up 2 sides of my garage. Then Ginny started investigating and how to find Buzz. I liked him from the start when I first met him. Oh, he did everything. Yeah, he put a whole new cement floor. He did the foundation. He painted the inside of the garage. I don't know how he did it.
He grabbed the crew and they did
it. BuildX is a company that they can trust with whatever problems they have in their house.
Dave Johnson, I live in Carver. We had a tree fall in our house 7 months ago, and BuildX came and fixed it. About 7 o'clock that morning, there was a guy standing out in front of my house, standing in front of a BuildX car. The rain had stopped and everything. By the time he got here, he was just leaning against his car. I saw a halo. First thing he said to me was, "Do you need some help?" And I never felt so happy in my life. By 2:30 that afternoon, the tree was off of my house. My roof was weather tight. I could never have done what he did in 2 months. And he did it in an afternoon. The next thing I knew, he was fixing my house. I'm sitting in a house I'm in love with. I feel like I moved, and I'm still here. It's great. I'm just totally satisfied with everything. I want to thank everybody at BuildX. They were awesome.
I'm Susan Johnson. I'm from Brockton, Massachusetts.
I'm Susan's sister, Linda Johnson. Buzz was a perfectionist. Everything was perfection. It was the right way. You have to do it all over again. Everything had to be perfect.
And so they started building on March 1st. It was a very quick process. Once the big holes were in the ground, they looked huge. So once that we could see the foundation up, we knew it was going to start moving quickly. Everything is nice, and I like having my own bedroom again. I just felt everything was done in the right way and what it should be. I just never could handle this on my own.
Yeah, I feel like I won the lottery. BuildX is excellent, superb.
Everybody in the entire crew, excellent people, excellent workmanship, excellent craftsmanship, excellent professionalism, excellent everything.
The first day that Buzz came, a SWAT team of guys came over, right? Like the plumber, the electrician, an army of people going around assessing everything. He said he thinks it's possible that we would be able to build up on the foundation that we have. So the day that they started, we wake up, Kevin's outside the door at 6:45 in the morning. Kevin sent me a picture at 10:30, roof was completely gone. There was just no top to the house, which was mind-blowing that the entire roof was just ripped off in 2.5 hours. So after that, they framed the house in 4 days. So we basically doubled the square footage of our house. We got 2 extra bedrooms, a master suite, and it's 2 months to the day, start to finish, completely done, which is absolutely incredible. Thank you, Buzz. Thank you, K-Dog, Healy. You guys were awesome. And Steve-O, Stevie, you guys were great. We really appreciate you doing this all the way from start to finish. Still blows my mind how fast I did it.
It's honestly a hard one of like how you guys can level up again. I know you will, and I know he'll find a way. So, cheers to Buzz, cheers to the entire, family at BuildX.
Thank you to BuildX team, everybody. Wouldn't have been able to go through the process without you.
Buzz, Alexander, Kevin, the team at BuildX have just been amazing to work with. Reach out to Buzz and talk to him. They'll make your dreams come true.
We mentioned Buzz so many times, but don't forget Steve, because he works so hard from early morning until late at night.
Thank you, Kevin. Thank you, Steve. Thank you, Buzz. Really appreciate everything you did for our family.
I want to thank everybody at BuildX. They were awesome. Anybody that needs some help should call BuildX because they will help you and leave you feeling better than you started.
Tell me when to start.
You're good.
Working day today with Kevin. First start, have your core energy drink. Very important.